Okay, Word chapter 10, case problem number 1. Okay, first let's copy 10-3 in our working folder. So this is the file, and then copy it into my working folder, and the file name is plan. Okay, then open it up. Okay, in the blank paragraph before prepared by, okay, before prepared by, okay, below here. So write down your name over here. And number 3, okay, before the list of tables here, click here, and then type contents. Type content, hit enter, and then select this contents, and we want to apply the headings style. The name is headings style, so this is heading style. So click this one, heading style, and then create a new style named contents. So click this styles more button, create style, and then the name of the style is contents, and then modify so that this is headings, based on headings style. Okay, and then leave it like this. Okay, good. Okay, number 4. I'm gonna copy background summary market in our working folder. So go to your student data files folder, and then copy all these 3 files, background, market, summary, in your working folder. And okay, let me open each one of these, and let's see the contents of the files. Okay, so this is the background. So, summary has this information, close, and background has this information, and market contains this information. So we're gonna insert all this information in our current document. Okay, number 5. Okay, in the blank paragraph above the heading index, here, insert the file summary background market in order. Okay, so first of all, we will insert, so make sure you place your insertion point over here, and then we want to insert. So in this case, why don't we use outline view? So click the view tab, outline. So actually before the index is this one, so make sure the cursor is blinking here, and then we want to insert. So click this show document and then insert. So the first file that we need to insert is, you go to your folder, working folder, and then select summary background market. So summary first, summary, open, and then do it again, insert background, open, one more, which is market, then open. So they are inserted in order like this. Okay, number 6. Okay, show level 1. So show level 1, so it shows only the headings like this, only the headings. And then add automatic numbering to all headings, automatic numbering. So we click the home tab, we want to insert an automatic numbering for this multi-level list, and then select the first column, the last row. So we will select this one. Okay, so we have numberings like this, and then we want to change. Insert, click here, and then click the multi-level list, and then define new multi-level list. Then we want to replace this dot, so remove the dot and then put parentheses. Okay, that's what we do for number 6. Then click OK. So we have a parenthesis for the numberings. Okay, then we want to remove the numbering from custom content. So contents heading and so content style and the headings style. So right click on the contents heading, right click, modify. So we don't want to include numbering for these headings. So click the format arrow and then numbering. So select none and OK. So the headings with the content style will not have numbers. Okay, now headings, same thing, headings, right click, and then modify, numbering, select none, OK, OK. So also, so those headings with the contents style and heading style does not have numberings here. Okay, we should not have this one. Okay, we will change this later. All right, and then save the document. Okay, save it, and then save the document as plan final. Okay, plan final. So file tab, save as, browse. So if you click the browse, we are in the working folder, and then the file name is plan final. Okay. Okay. Unlink three sub documents. So click the outlining tab, and then click each box so that we can unlink. Select the second box, unlink, and the last one, unlink. Okay, for number 9, we will delete section break. So close this outline view, and then go to scroll down all the way. All right, and then select the, okay, from the last one, select the section break here. Okay, and then scroll up. So there are 2 sections. So section break, so remove these 2 section break. Scroll up. Okay, here. So right before this background, okay, 2 background, delete. Okay, delete. And then delete one more. So as you see, this background header is now removed. So in that case, we need to insert. So hit enter, and then select this background. We will apply the heading style is what's the heading style? Okay, heading 1 style. This is heading 1 style, right? Heading 1 style. So make sure background is selected and select heading 1 style. Heading 1. Okay. And then delete the continuous section break below the list of tables. Here is the list of tables. So remove section break. Okay, and on page 4. Okay, on page 4. Okay, replace the placeholder text, insert column chart. So column chart is the third yellow part. Here it is. So insert column chart. So select this insert column chart, and then we want to insert a column chart at this place. So click insert chart. Okay, this is column chart. So select this one. This is clustered column. So select this one. Okay. And then we will scroll down. So we will enter this data, the data in the table. So select the A2 cell, quarter 1, and then 9. Okay, quarter 2, $29, quarter 3, $47, quarter 4, $28. Okay, and then we will delete column C and D. So select column C and D and right click, delete. Okay, and then close this one. So as you see this, we have four bars like this. Okay, that is number 10. Okay, number 11. Remove the chart title. The chart title is series 1. And then the legend. Okay, legend is the bottom one. This series 1, this is the legend. And then delete. Okay, and then change the color scheme to colorful palette 4. So make sure this chart is selected, and then click this change color arrow. We will select number 4. So the fourth row. This is the colorful palette number 4. Okay, then use the shape. Okay, shape. So click the format tab, and then width. Okay, width will be the height will be 2.8 inches, and the width is 5 inches. Okay, and then this one should be aligned center horizontally. So click this center aligned. Okay, and then number 12, add captions to the two tables. So we have table, here's the first table. Scroll up, there's another one. So select the first table, and then we want to insert the table caption. So click the references tab, and then insert table of figures. So click this. So not this one, sorry. Insert caption. Click insert caption. Then this is a table. The label is table 1, and then the position is above selected item. So this is default. So click OK. So this table caption. This is the caption of this table, and then center this table. Okay, there's another one. So click this the second table, and we do the same thing. References tab, insert caption. Make sure this is the table number automatically increases. The label is table, not the figure, and then above the selected item. So we want to put this title above the table. So make sure this is not this one, above selected table, above selected item. Okay, everything's fine. Click OK, and then also select this table, and then center, align center. Okay, next. Okay, number 13, add a caption to the chart for the figure. So click this chart. So make sure you click the upper right corner in the back, the white background. So you see the chart area. So click this one, and then we want to insert caption for this. So click insert caption. And this is not table, this is figure. So select figure in this label. So we have a number 1, figure 1, space. And then the caption name is this one. Caption title is this. So type projected number of events in 2020. Okay, and then this one goes below selected item. So below this figure. Then click OK. Okay, now number 14, add references to the two tables and the charts, and then using only label and number. So let's select the first one. Move to the first. Okay, cross-reference. So select this placeholder. So we want to apply the cross-reference to this table. And then click the cross-reference. Okay, so the reference type is, this is table, right? Table, so select table. And then table 1, this is table 1. And the reference to only label and number. Inserts. So as you see this, table 1, the table number, the label, is inserted here. So once you try control key, click this, then you will move to this table. Okay, so go to the second page, next page, and then select this placeholder, and then we wanna add cross-reference for this table. So this should link to the table 2, table number 2. Only label and number, click OK. It's insert. So we just inserted a cross-reference for the table 2. Okay, let's do this figure. So select this placeholder. This is chart. And then the reference type is not the table. This time this is a figure. So select the figure, and then figure 1. And then this is only label and number. Insert. Okay, so we have done number 14. Okay, number 15. Okay, next we want to insert page break. So scroll all the way up to contents. Okay, so we have a contents. So click next to the contents. Okay, insert before. Okay, before contents. So click right before the contents and then layout tab. Breaks. Select next page section break. Okay, we will insert another one. Summary, right before summary. So select right before this summary, and then breaks next page. So we just added a section break here. There's another one. Okay, index heading. So scroll down all the way. Here is index. So click right before this index, and then break arrow next page. All right, and then insert an ordinary page break, just a page break before list of tables. So scroll up, list of tables. Okay, so click list of tables before this list of tables, and then insert page break. The page break is Control Enter. So hold down the Control key, hit Enter. So then you will see this page break. So this is a new page. Okay, and then we will do another one. Okay, page break on page 5 before the second paragraph after 5. So go to the page 5, number 5, number 4. So here, so click. Here is the friends of Bradford. So click before this line, and then hold down the Control key, Enter. So it adds page break. Okay, so we have a paragraph and some bullets over here. Number 16, center the text on the title page. So scroll down, up, select the first page. So hold down. Okay, so hold down the left, on the left margin, hold down the left mouse button and then scroll down. So make sure select only the first page, the contents in the first page. So I want to center this vertically. So this contents will be in the center. So the top, between the top and bottom. So click the layout tab, page setup dialog box launcher, the layout. So we want to change the layout of this content in this page. So I want to make this page aligned vertically, centered. So apply to. So this one will be applied to only this selected item. So selected section. This has to be selected section. Don't select the whole document. So this is selected section, and then OK. So this content is center aligned between top and bottom. Okay, set the page except the title. as odd and even pages with a 0.5 gutter. So in this case, why don't we just click the footer, double click the footer in the second page. Okay, so the first page is section 1, the second page is section 2. Okay, so from here we will apply gutter 0.5 inches. So that is in the layout tab, page setup dialog box launcher, margins. Okay, now gutter space is 0.5 inches, 0.5. And then make sure this is applied to not this section, this point forward. This point forward means starting from this footnote, the second page, all the way down to the end of this document. So click OK. So the margin is different. The odd page, the even page has different margins. Okay, so as odd and even pages. Okay. All right, and then design tab. Okay, in this case, what we're gonna do is we will make the section, section 2, the footer of the section 2. Okay, we will do this later, not now. Okay, number 18. Insert page number in the front matter. The front matter is contents and list of tables. So the page numbers will be lowercase Roman and center aligned at the top of the page. So why don't we scroll a little bit up? So in the header of this content, the second page, contents, so make it center aligned, and then design tab, and then we want to insert the page number. So place the page number at the current position. And then this one will be Roman character, right? Roman. So click the page number arrow, format page numbers. The number format should be lowercase Roman. So select this one. And then select starting at 1 and then OK. So this is 1, 2, and this is this is different section, so 3, 4, and so on. Okay, how about the cover page? So we need to remove this cover page, so click the design tab. So in the header of the cover page, why don't you check this one, different first page? So the first page is different, so click this one. Then the page number is not used in this cover page. Okay, that's what we did. And then remove the page in the title page number in the title page. Okay, start Arabic number with page 1 in the summary page. Okay, the summary page is this one, right? This one. So this page, this number should start with 1, right? 1. So click the page number, format page number, and then starting at 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and so on. How about the last page? The last page is 5. This is correct. 4, 5, 4, 3, and so on. That is okay. Go on page I. Okay, this is the second page. Page I. Unlink the footer from the previous section. So go to the footer section, footer of the footer of this content page, footer of the content page. Okay, this is the footer of the content page. Okay, unlink the footer. So disable this link to previous. Link to previous. Type Bradford Estate Business Plan, and center it horizontally in the footer. So So center horizontally. Okay, on page 2, okay, the page 2 is this one. Okay, this is page 2. Page 2 footer. Okay, and the page 2 footer is this one. This is page 2. Right, page 2. Footer. Click the footer. Okay, number 20. Insert a style reference in the footer. Style reference in the footer. Okay. This one, we should unlink this. Okay, anyway, let's try a step by step. Insert a style reference in the footer so the heading 1 text appears. So this one, so not this guy. So select this, and we wanna change this one with quick parts. Click quick parts, field, select link and references, style ref. Okay, this time we will select heading 1. So this will display the heading 1 information and then put it in the center. Okay. Heading 1 style, heading 1, right? Heading 1. Okay. How about, and then from this number 2, okay, page 2 footer. So make sure you select the page 2 footer, not page 3, page 2 footer. And then unlink the even page footers from the previous section. Alright, in this case, click the design tab. So we want to make different odd and even pages. Select odd and even pages. Okay. So the odd pages and even pages are different. And also, okay, and then also this part. In the list of tables header, in the list tables footer, still same. How about the header? Okay, because we need to insert the page number here. Okay, do the same thing. So here, okay, in the header of this list of tables page, link to previous, disable link to previous. Okay. All right, and then page 1. Page 1 has left margin. This is auth page number. Page 2, okay, we need to insert the page 2 as well, right? So why don't you insert page 2? So page number, current location, make it in the center. So this is page 2, so even page has more margins on the right. Okay, and then let's go back to here. So this is Arabic Roman number 2, right? Okay, so the page numbers are now correct, and then the heading information is also correct. Okay, so in that case, wait a second. Okay, we're supposed to have this one, right? This Bradford in the footer of page I, right? This is page I. In the page I, type again, type number 9, the type Bradford Estate Business Plan. So this one should apply to only for this, page I. And then also probably page 2. Okay, page 2 is, okay, that's coming later. Okay, so we have done number 19, number 2, and then amount 20, so number 21. Okay, unlink even page footer from previous section. Okay, we did it. In the footer page of 2, footer page of this 2, okay, Roman number 2, edit the field in the footer so that the text formatted with the heading style. Heading styles will be displayed here. So actually list of tables should display at the footer. So put it in the center, center aligned, click the design tab, and then we want to insert quick part field. Insert the field, style ref, and the style is headings. Scroll down a little bit, here is headings. So select these headings and then click OK. So Roman page number 2 will display this heading style, the heading. Okay, number 22. In the third bulleted page, so scroll down to number 4. Here, 1, 2, 3. So double click the main body of this page. So we want to apply, this is 25 miles. So 25 and mile should display together. So select this hyphen after this 25, and then we will make it non-breaking hyphen. So that is in the insert tab. Remember, insert tab, symbols, more symbols, and then special characters. So let's select non-breaking hyphen. So we want to replace this regular hyphen with this non-breaking hyphen, and then insert. So the number 25 and the word miles comes together. Okay, let's try another one. Scroll down a little bit. That is in the here number 20. 210 million. So 210 and million will display on the same line. So select this dot. Okay. So select this dot. The dot means space. That means space. And then I want to replace this with non-breaking space, this one. And then click OK. We did a wrong one. Sorry. Ctrl Z. Not this one here. 210, right? 210. So after 210, select the space, which is a dot, and then apply non-breaking space. So 210 and million comes together. So can you see this little open circle? Open circle means non-breaking space is applied. Okay, click OK, click close. Okay, that's number 23. So number 24, mark every occurrence of events. Okay, as a main entry in the index. So we will mark index for the index page. So why don't we Control F, sorry, not this one, Control F, and then search for the word events. So we have an event here, so click the references tab. Okay, Control F is finding a word. So references tab, click mark entry, and the events is the main entry, and then mark all. Okay. Okay, now create cross-reference index for bookings. Okay, bookings. So why don't we search for bookings here? Navigation, bookings. So we have a bookings here. So the cross-reference, so click this cross-reference, and then see bookings. See bookings if, and then the main entry is events. So main entry is events, and the cross-reference index is booking. And then click mark. Okay, so number 26. Okay, close this and then close this one. So in the outline view, so click the view tab, outline view, and then make a level 1. Okay, from this we want to select market analysis and projected. So select market analysis and projected. So click the plus sign on this market analysis. So hold down the shift key and then projected booking. This one. So actually we selected 3 headings. Okay, 3 headings including all the contents. Or you can select this one using, you just select these 3 lines. Okay, and then we will mark for this range. So click the insert tab and then links. We wanna add the bookmark. Bookmark. The bookmark name is market, and then add. And then go to the reference tab and then add mark entry. So click the mark entry. And the page range. The page range is click the bookmark arrow. You should select the market and then mark. So we see it, we can see this symbol. Then click close. Okay, now save it. Okay, number 27. Create an auto mark file. So we will create a file containing table of this these words. So click file tab and then open blank document. Okay, so actually there are three words: event, events, and event. So why don't we insert table with 2 columns and 3 rows. 2 columns, 3 rows. And then the first word is event. Event. And then the second word is uppercase E. And the third one is event. Event. Oh, second one is events. Okay, let me remove these highlights. Okay, and for the second row, the second column, the second column is events. So type events. Make sure this is lowercase. Click the next row. Events. Click the next row. Events. So make sure the first letter is some words is uppercase, some words is lowercase. There are S at the end, or some does not have. Okay, this is the document. So save the document as. Okay, go to the my PC, this PC, navigate to your student data files folder, and then the file name is plan auto mark. So this one. So write down the file name and then click save. Okay, and then close this one. Okay, and then mark those entries using the auto file mark. Okay, and then click the insert index and click this auto mark button, and then select the file that we just created, which is automark, plan automark, and then open. Alright, so this is what we've done for 27. Okay, 28. Okay, position the insertion point. So why don't we close this outline view and then scroll down all the way and the index. So right after the index, okay, let's insert index heading. So click the references tab, insert index, and then use default setting and then click OK. So we just added the index. And then, all right, and then, okay, insert the table, number 29. So table of contents, so scroll all the way up, table of contents, click the line below the contents and insert table of contents. So click this table of contents arrow, custom table contents, and then from here, why don't we just click OK. All right, and then from this, we don't want to include these contents. This, I mean, the first line, because obviously this is the first line. So click the table of contents, and then again, select this custom tables contents, click options, click options. Okay, you know, this contents, the contents heading style is content, right? Contents. You know, the heading styles is, the name is contents. So select this and then remove. Click OK. And then OK. Replace. So the heading that has the contents heading will not display in this table of contents. Okay, number 30, the list of tables. List of tables, just click the line below this list of tables, and then we want to insert table. Okay, insert table of content, not this one. We want to insert a list of tables, not the figures. Okay, insert a list of tables. So click, go to here, insert table of figures. Click this insert table of figures. Table of figures. Okay, and then look at this. In the bottom, this is caption label, right? Caption label is figure. So we want to insert table. So select table in this caption label, and then click OK. So there are two tables in this document. So these two tables now displayed in this list of tables. Okay, and then click Home tab. Remove, disable this hide and show. So I think we are done. So let's just make sure everything's okay. Okay, cover page with your name and table of contents. 1 all the way to 5. Numbers, numbering's okay. Table of content. Okay, and then this main body, so page 1, page 2, and so on. Left margin wider, right margin wider for the even number, and page number, everything's okay, good. And the index page, all set. Okay, so even page shows the headings. Odd page shows the title. Okay, done.